3 quick fives. Can you do them in your head? 48 times 5. 26 times 5. 84 times 5. Each one wants an answer. Times 5 looks slow, but there is a 1-second way. Pause the video. Try 48 times 5 in your head. Here is a hint. What is 48 times 10? Here is the move. 5 is just half of 10, so double the height. 5 becomes 10. Times 10 is easy, just add a 0. 48 times 10 is 480. Times 5 is half of that. Half of 480 is 240. And the standard way agrees. Try it again. 26 times 5. Double the height. 5 becomes 10. 26 times 10 is 260. Times 5 is half of that. Half of 260 is 130. Now it is your turn. A speed round. 10, then halve, then answer. Beat the timer in your head. This is the 10 then halve rule. If you multiply by 5, multiply by 10 and add a 0, then halve. The product never changes. Look for any times 5. One rectangle, many cuts. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.